Okay, and then I have a 15 below. So now everything, all the plus and minus is kept within the bracket already. I can start doing my cancellation. Yes, so this one can cancel out. Yes. So this one I can divide by 3. This one left 5. So what am I left with in the numerator? I have 4 of this thing. Okay, and then at the bottom is a 5. That's it. So this is the answer. Do you need to expand? No need. But if you want, make sure it's correct. So if you want to expand, then you need to show me the correct one. Okay, but not required. So this is good enough. Okay, so just have to keep doing it diligently. Okay, same thing here. Keep. Change. Ayo. And then flip this fraction. So put the denominator on top. Page 3, page 3. Okay, then bring this whole chunk at the bottom. Okay, when you see plus or minus in the numerator or denominator, don't start cancellation. Okay, make sure you extract common factor. Zheng Yue, you focusing? You look at the screen like that, doesn't, I know what you're up to. Okay, so this one, take out the common factor, what? 2. So when I take out 2 left 3, take out 2 left 4. Okay, and then at the bottom is just 9x, nothing to bracket, right? And then this thing, I just put it in a bracket as a group. Okay, at the denominator, what is common? 3. So 9, if I take out 3, left 3, 12, left 4. So again, another 3x minus 4y. So once your plus or minus is kept within the bracket, you can start doing your cancellation. So this whole thing can cancel out. Any other thing you can simplify? Looks like no more, right? So numerator combine. 2 times this thing. Denominator combine. So when I say combine means these two you multiply together, you get 27x. That's it, the answer. Cannot simplify anymore. So remember the x and the x here cannot cancel out. Whatever that is in the bracket is 1 for all for 1. You need to cancel the whole thing or don't touch it at all. So cannot just cancel one of the terms from the bracket. So this one, if you remember, then you will never go wrong. Can good. Why Magna? Yeah, so I was wondering why the smile. Okay, Ken? There is a portal that we have to upload the video there. Then by right, they can analyze the teacher's action and tell us like, oh, you need to walk around the class more. Or like the student from this section are very engaged. Maybe this something like that. I don't know. I haven't tried before. This is an experiment. Okay, but it is not to record what you are doing. Okay, but it's for teachers to get feedback from AI. It is AI who will get to see this. That's all. So we are trying to use AI to analyze. Okay. Okay. Anyway, next one. Shh. Part C. This one we keep. This one we keep. Okay, and then the divide we change to times. And then we're going to flip these two fractions. So that's the first step that you need to do. So I'm taking this, the numerator. I'm taking the line. Oops. Okay, and then I'm taking this one. Okay, so now the next step is to make sure that every plus or minus that you see in the numerator or the denominator is put within a group. So 8, no problem. P plus 3Q, let's group it up. Okay, and then between 6 and 18, what is common? 6. Okay, so take out the 6. Left P plus 3Q. Then finally at the bottom, put the 2P minus Q as a group. Okay, you will see that you share one thing in common over here that you can cross out. The rest, you can't do much anymore. So combine the numerator, what are you left with? 48. Yes. Then at the bottom is just 2P minus Q. So fastest responder first, huh? Okay, so even if it's divide, no need to be scared. Do your keep change flip first. Okay, it should get better and better. It should get better. Yo, this Golden. You look at his worksheet, so scary. You need a file, I can give you one. The poor worksheet, the trees that we kill innocently to be crushed. Okay, can I move on to the next one? Smaller now. Okay, this thing, first thing, keep, change, and then you want to flip. Then you ask me what's there to flip. So actually this is a over 1. 1 over. That whole expression you see there. Okay, so this is how you keep change flip the first expression. Next, it's factorization. So when you see two terms and both are perfect squares, what should come to your mind? Which is the identity or the relationship or the property that must come to your mind? A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. So actually this is x square minus 2 square. So if you want to change it, it's x plus 2, x minus 2. So let me change this to x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, that's the top part. Okay, next one. The bottom, 6. So take out the 6. Left with x plus 2. Okay, then this one is still 1. Okay, when you see 3 terms, what must come to your mind? Tic-tac-toe? The aerial model. Tic-tac-toe. Okay, this thing. Okay, yesterday, in fact, we went for an online workshop, right? And then they share with us a website that you can key this inside and double check your answer. So later in the day, I will send to the group. Then you all can use that to check your answer. But you can also use calculator to check your answer. Okay, but just for the fun of it. So this is 3x squared. So it's 3x times x to get 3x squared. And then the last column here must be a minus 2. I can't decide if it should be a plus or a minus, which one first. So I just going to put 1 and 2 here. So this gives me a 3x. Oh, no. I need minus, right? Sorry. So maybe I should put my 2 here. So I get 6x. Put my 1 here. So I get x. So remember this thing here needs to give me minus 5x. So who needs to be the negative one? The minus 2, right? So that I will get minus 6. So this should be the negative one. Okay? So that you end up having negative 5. So my two factors are x minus 2 and 3x minus 1. Okay, so now go ahead and cancel the terms that are in the numerator and denominator. So this is the 1. X minus 2. Okay, there's a x plus 2 here that you can cancel also. So final answer on top is 1. At the bottom is 6 and this thing. Okay, so you can leave your answer like that, or if you like to expand it out, make sure it's correct. So either or. but this is good enough. So that's why I say your foundation for chapter 3 must be good. Because this is from chapter 3, this is from chapter 3, your factorization. Wait, how many more questions left? Then I let you all do. Okay, I just go through these 2 more and then there's the practice now question and the previous page. You can do it on your own. Okay, so let's do E now. Always do your keep change flip first so that you don't have to end up doing double work. So change and then flip. Okay, so once you have that, what is the first step? Factorize, right? So between 15m and 10n, who should I take out? 5. Yo, why become yellow? So 3m, 2n. Okay, the 2m no problem, no change. Bottom, put it as a group because there's a minus there. Okay, group them together. Between 18 and 12, what's common? Yes. So take out 6, left 3. Take out 6, left 2. So you will see a group of terms that you can cancel out, which is this one. Any other thing? Are you sure?
Yes, 2 and 6.
2 and 6. So left a 3 here. So finally, I have a 5m on top. Okay, sometimes got a bit of hide and seek. They hide the m there, you never see. So be careful. 3, then 7n minus 1. Final answer. Okay? So it should get easier. Once you conquer this, then this WA2 will be chicken feet. Okay, or a piece of cake. If you don't like chicken. Oh, chicken feet very hard to eat.
Get out, bro.
What?
People said guess what?
Very courteous. I asked for permission to fart.
What the heck?
She said chicken butt.
Oh, I thought she said, can I fart? Then TJ say, go away. Okay, so now, TJ, can you help me with factorizing this one?
Yes.
What is the answer? What are the 2 factors of 12 that will give me 7? Yes. So actually one of it is 3, one of it is 4. If you all check in your mind, this is x squared. You are done, right? Okay, then what you can do is check the other 2. So 3x and then the other one is 4x. Can you see it gives you 7x? So you are done too. What is the last one? It's your 3 times 4, which gives you 12. So you are also done. So this is also another way that some people don't show working at all. They straight away get the 2 factors because they did the rainbow in their mind. Okay, so that's one way. Just showing how the expansion is done. Okay, what about the bottom? Weng Yu, these 2, because you win the poster award.
Why do you want us right?
X squared, okay, you or Raif, x squared minus 36, what should I change it to? This is the same as using this rule. The hint, I give you hint. A square minus B square is A plus B. A minus B. What do you think it should be? The A is X. So 36 is what square? So what should I have, these 2? One is plus, one is minus. Yes, one is X plus 6. One is x minus 6. Okay, put these 2 in a bracket. And then you can start doing your cancellation. So 4, 6, and then you are just left with this. Two more practice now yourself. So 5m times 7m is 35m square. 5m times 3 is 15m. N times 7m is 7mn. And then the last one is 3n. They share nothing in common. So this whole thing is the answer. Don't go and add them. You're anyhow. Okay, next one. When you have two of these, you can draw this 2 times. And then you do your rainbow. 9x squared, 6xy, 6xy, and 4y squared. So you will end up having answer as 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared. Okay, those of you who use the formula, a plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, also can. So that means you square this, 2ab plus b square. You will also get this answer. Okay, this one is using formula. Ayo, what happened? Okay, next one. Same thing. For the group of you who's using formula, you can do this. A square, 2ab, b square. Okay, if you don't like, you can write this 2 times. The same thing 2 times. So 16p square minus 12p minus 12p plus 9. So final answer is this. So both of them will give you the same final answer. Okay, check your answer, do correction. Yes, this one, if you can see, is a plus b, a minus b. So it should be a square minus b square. So if you are using formula, your answer is 49 minus 4q square. This is if you are using formula. If you don't want, you can also expand by rainbow method. 49. 14q minus 14q minus 4q square. So these two cancels out. You also get the same answer. So no matter what, make sure you know how to do the expansion. TJ, you doing corrections or not?
Yes.
Your friend has exposed you. Okay, do corrections. Can? Next page. Done not?
No.
Not yet. Easy, huh? This one easy, huh? This This one is chapter 3.
So many things that I do.
When is the next time I see y'all got double period one?
Next month. Oh yeah, next month.
Next month?
Next year.
Horrible, y'all. Wait, all single period ah? All single period, how to give mock test? Next week. Next Monday, I give you a mock test. That means like pretend WA. Teacher, student. You're always cher, right? So you are done. Okay, this one. Shh. Okay, I'm going to remind you about calculator method so that during the exam, if you cannot do, at least you can use calculator. Okay, listen ah. Shh. Okay, this one, listen. So how to get to the factors? I cross multiply back. This one is 2t. Okay, I cross multiply back is 2t. And then I minus 5 because I bring over, right? So this is one of my factor. Okay, what is the other one? I cross multiply this. And then I bring this over. So this is the other factor. Okay? So actually, all this hard work that you have done here, you could cheat. You can write like that.
No, cheating is a very
Showing like you know the method like that, but actually it's the same thing. Then confirm correct one because calculator tells you so. So that's how you get these two. So even if you have done this, you can use calculator to check whether your answer correct or not. So this is your answer. This is the one I want. This is the one I want. So all this, even if you don't show, no need. Okay, but if you want, write it in pencil somewhere at the corner.
in the corner.
Because this one is telling them you are using calculator. Okay? Okay, we try one more. Next one. Okay, better listen ah. Holden also. Zheng Yue also. Answer give you 16. And the other one is negative 1/4. So how to get back? First factor is I bring this over. So one of it is y minus 16. The other one, cross multiply the 4 first. Bring the minus 1 over. So this will become 4y plus 1. And then you are done. Don't believe you go and expand out. You will get back this same answer. Okay? So this is, if you really don't know the last 3 methods I told you, at least you got a calculator method. They will give you 2 marks or nothing. That means if this is correct, they straight away give you the 2 marks, even if you never show working. Okay, because some can do mental sum. So they will just take it that you did it mental sum. What? Okay, this one no choice. Take out the 3 first. When there's 2 terms, you need to think about a square minus b square. So this is a square, b square. So you should get a plus b, a minus b. The 3 just keep it in front. So this is your final answer. Why next door got people come also? Oh, you got duty, go. Duty also, okay, go. Okay, those who have duty, go and serve your duty.
Serve the nation.
Then stay. You have duty, huh? Then she anyhow?
Really go do.
Okay, next one. I haven't. Next one. Yeah, I haven't take the photo. One next one.
Today we're doing
Oh yeah.
Holden, I'm quite sure you are not a counselor. Okay, take out common factor 3x and y. So take out the 3xy, left z. Take out 3, left 4. Take out 1x, take out 1y. So this is the answer. Okay? Shh. Next one. Let's do 2 by 2. So this is one pair. This is the other pair. Make sure it's always positive first, followed by negative. So the first one, I'm going to take out A as a common factor. So left 4x minus 3y. The blue one, I will rearrange the positive one first, followed by the negative. So I rearrange this one first. Okay, then now I'm going to take out the common factor, which is 2b. So take out 2b, left 3y. Take out 2b, left 4x. Okay, so this is another of the same but different case. They are reverse order. So when you reverse this, Nathaniel, change the sign in front. So swap these two, become 4x minus 3y. Then the sign in front, reverse it. So when you have 4 terms, group it 2 by 2. So group it 2 by 2. And then rearrange positive followed by negative. Okay, then you take out common factor. So when there is a same sign by opposite direction, swap it and reverse. So now final answer, I take this out. I'm left with A minus 2B in the other bracket. So that's the answer for this one. Okay, simplify is our practice just now. So I just very quickly simplify. So you should be left with 4AC square over B. Okay, this is 3A. 3B, combine them together like what we did just now. 5, left 3. C square, left 1 only. Okay, I cross out 1B. I cross out the A's. I'm gonna cancel this. And then this one also cancel out. So final answer, you will be left with 2BC. At the bottom, there is only, there's nothing left at the bottom. So actually the answer is just 2BC. Okay, last one. Keep, change, flip. So I flip first. And then once I'm done with that, I can combine them already. So I cross out things that are common, like C. Okay, I cross out the 3. So this one I can cross out 2. So final answer 12. No, still can cross out some more. One of these. So 12B on top. And then at the bottom is a 7A. Okay? Your homework, the 2025 paper, you don't have.
See that one?
It's not 2024 though, I haven't give you all.
You give the other day.
Yeah, last lesson. I give 2025. You don't have.
I think it's in my bag.
Okay, I'm going to give you 2024 and mark.
Okay, I come and pick.
So that you
Oh
can
my goodness.
I got a magic card.
Yeah.
because the link For Friday, okay?
上面的夹起来。
So the counselor also get.
Daniel, help.
You look at the section, it shouldn't be foreign. The only thing that is foreign is probability. Question 4, you can cross that out.
Very foreign.
Question 4, cross out. Because
I am
probability
a
is not
foreign.
tested.
No, you are not.
Are you permanent resident?
No, I'm student pass or long term pass. I don't think.
Let's go to
Student pass.
You will pass it.
Any
Yeah.
2025, if it's done, if not, give me tomorrow.
Class quiz.
2025. Any more? Work harder, please. WA is coming.
Recess and sleeping.
Cross out question 4. Okay, the paper I just gave you, cross out question 4 is probability, not tested.
I don't think I have. I don't think
But if you want to do, you do lah. Okay, thank you, class. Have a nice day.
Bye, Miss Long.
Bye. Hey! I see cross out, you cross until like that. It's Foden Okay, good. Today at least I see you finally paying attention.